such as this, an X-Acto knife. And we have, what happened there is I didn't cut it quite far enough, the overlap. So we'll go in with the X-Acto knife on a beveled angle. There we go, and I've got it. The piece is falling away now. And flip it over and see how we did. Now we also have a tool here to alleviate this problem. What it is a little sandpaper block, and you have different layers of sandpaper. And if you look in this corner, you'll see there's a little bit of a snag when I cut with the X-Acto knife. So you want to go real lightly in the corner to alleviate that. Got the one side. There we go. You're probably better off to go away from the core, because you'll see here, if you go towards it, you're going to leave a little bit of blue from the mat board on the core itself. So we go like that. Once it's framed, you'll never see that snag has been alleviated with the sandpaper. So